Today we are going to show you how to rotate the text vertically like this. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. If you want to rotate the text inside of table, so you have to select the text, go to layout, go to text direction, and you can rotate the text like this. You can select the text, click on right button, go to text direction. You can rotate the text from here like this. So it is very easy to rotate the text inside of table. Now I have to rotate the text outside of table. So if I want to rotate something outside of table, I have to insert a text box. Let me go to insert, go to shapes, pick a text box, and right here online, click on it, go to shape outline, make it no outline. Just select the text, go to shape format, go to text direction, and rotate the text like this and make the shape this type. Or if you want to rotate the text like this, you have to go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box and drag it like this, and right here online, make it bigger, make it bold, and just enter after the number, make it bigger. Select all of this text, go to line spacing option, don't add a space between line. You can change the spacing from here very easily. Select this one, go to shape format, shape outline, no outline, and make it smaller. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.